Taking your four-wheel drive into the desert? Follow these tips for an enjoyable off-road experience. 1. Deflate to dominate. Lower tire pressures for better traction. 2. Know the dunes. Approach at angles, not straight up. 3. Momentum is key. Be steady on the throttle, don't over or under rev. 4. Stick to the tracks. Try to follow existing trails to stay safe. 5. Always carry recovery gear. Shovel, tow straps, and a high-lift jack are lifesavers. 6. Don't go solo. Always drive in a convoy in case you need backup. 7. Spot the soft spots. Avoid pale or powdery sand. 8. Master the crest. Ease off the throttle when crossing dune peaks. 9. Stay hydrated, stay safe. Keep enough water for your vehicle and its occupants. 10. GPS over guesswork. Use navigation tools to avoid getting lost. Head to DubiGuides blog for more details.